For several years now, big tech companies have been ruining cookie tracking on browsers, and that has a direct result on your ability to track your ad campaigns. But SamCart's newest feature offers the solution to that problem. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart. Now that I look at it, that logo is super dark back there. We are the home to more than 15,000 entrepreneurs who have sold more than $5 billion of their own products, goods, services, courses, physical goods, whatever, through our platform. And today I'm excited to announce the latest update to SamCart's checkout operating system, server-side tracking. Server-side tracking, the latest update to SamCart's checkout OS. If you want to jump right to the tutorial about how to set up this brand new feature, go ahead and skip ahead about 60 seconds. But for those who might not understand the breadth of this problem, here's how Facebook tracks sales when you run ads on Instagram, Facebook, any of the Meta properties. You drop a pixel on your landing page. And when people come to your landing page, that pixel gives each one of them a unique ID. As someone makes it from your landing page to a webinar, to a Calendly, to whatever, to go and actually buy, that same pixel says, hey, person number one bought something. Facebook, here's a purchase. It's worth this much, right? That's all good. But what happens when that pixel gets blocked? That's what's going on Apple iOS devices, on more and more Chrome browsers, is that third-party cookies are getting harder and harder to use. And so when only so many of your visitors show up on devices where that pixel will work, all of a sudden they're going to go through, they're going to make sales, and Facebook's going to have no idea. For visitors where that pixel doesn't work, Facebook will have no clue that you made a sale and how much money you made, which means your ad campaigns suffer, you waste money, and you can't grow as fast. But thankfully, not with server-side tracking. This is what it looks like instead. If a visitor comes to your checkout page and goes ahead and buys, but the pixel has been blocked, right? They're on a device where cookie tracking doesn't work. What's still going to happen is that order data goes through SamCart servers, and we send it directly to your Facebook ad account for you with full order data, first name, last name, every dime they spent, what they purchased, how many they bought. All that order data still goes back directly to your ad campaigns, so you have a backup system that can still track those sales. Server-side tracking is a fallback option. If the pixel doesn't work, server-side tracking is still there, and we have unique technology that makes sure if they both work, that we're not double counting sales. We built a unique little algorithm to uniquely identify things and work with Facebook's technology to make sure that your sales are tracked correctly the first time, and you never have to duplicate or double count your sales, all taken care of for you. Let's dive into a SamCart account. I'll show you how to set this up. Setting up the new server-side tracking is incredibly, incredibly simple. From your SamCart marketplace, go ahead and hit your marketplace settings, and then come up to the brand new Tracking and Pixels tab. This is one place where you can manage your Meta pixel tracking, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, install your own custom conversion scripts in the header and footer, whatever you need to do. Naturally, we're going to toggle on the Meta pixel tracking. And all you need is two things from Facebook. You need your Meta pixel ID and you need an access token. The access token is this kind of long hash that you guys can generate from your Meta pixel dashboard. Here we are over in data sources inside of Facebook, and I can grab my pixel ID is down here, copy and paste that into the pixel ID category for this test pixel. And if I come back over, if I go to, I believe it's under settings, and the generate access token is right at the time of this recording is right here. So here is a generate access token. It's this kind of long hash thing you have going on. Paste that one in, click Save Changes. And just like that, we are done. We are actually set up and done and ready to go. Every single order will now send server-side tracking back to Facebook directly. One way to kind of verify what's going on here is if you guys go to your SamCart app marketplace. So if I click on apps, what you're going to find is a new installed app called Facebook. And so what you're going to see is Facebook has been set up. You'll see there's a new rule for every single product purchased. We're going to fire this tracking conversion event, and under your logs, under configuration, you should see integration successfully connected. So now to test this and show you exactly how easy this is to do, go ahead and open up any SamCart checkout and just grab the URL. For that, I'm going to use an express link right here. You can see this page is in test mode, doesn't need to be in live mode. You can do it without charging any real money. But I can go to the test events tab and come down here, and actually we can see this play out in real time. So I'm going to enter in the URL of this checkout page and click open website. And now the events that you guys will see correctly tracked back over to Facebook. If I go back over to the events manager, I can actually already see a page view event has been tracked. But if I go ahead, I'll speed this up and play this in fast mode. Let me place a test order and add a couple of things to the cart, and we'll see exactly how this tracks. All right, so as this order is processing, those events are being sent back to Facebook. Now I have pixel tracking happening on the page. I also have the server-side tracking happening back here. You can see in the Chrome pixel, I now see right there. There's my purchase event, the pixel has picked it up. And if I go back to the events manager, what I will see is a single purchase event as well. But there are the two main places that you're going to see these events. You will see them inside of your Facebook ads account, and using the test events tab is a great way to track that. You can also see them here in the app marketplace, where now you will have a full log of every single event that we send through server-side tracking will be logged for you to check out right here. Once you have this set up, every single SamCart checkout inside your entire marketplace will be tracking via server-side tracking. We'll also take care of pixel tracking, and SamCart makes sure that there are no duplicate orders reported, right? So you want to make sure that if pixel and server-side both go through, right, we are working with Facebook and sending some unique stuff over to make sure that each order is only tracked one time. But you'll get a full look at exactly how much each customer spends, what they bought, their full order history, everything sent over, so that all of your tracking is better than ever. If you're currently struggling to have your sales tracked back to your ad campaigns, then you are wasting money on bad technology. Head over to samcart.com and take a test drive of Checkout OS today. And if you want our team's help to make it even easier for you, head over, use the link down below this video, talk with our implementation team. You talk with an expert on our team about how to migrate your business over to SamCart and let us do all the work for you. Super excited to get this brand new feature inside of your account. Go check it out, set it up today.